How to set up VPN on Windows 11 step by step. This post created by ITMaster channel mainly teaches you how to build up a VPN for your new Windows 11 operating system update. The Windows 11 is already available since October 5, 2021. Windows changes from version 10 to version 11. The thing that doesn't change is that you still need a VPN, virtual private network, service if you want to visit websites that are restricted by internet access in certain districts or if you don't want to be tracked. How does VPN work? The VPN extends a private network across public networks like the internet. It allows a host computer to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if it is an integral part of the private network with all the functionality, security, as well as management policies of the private network. How to set up VPN on Windows 11. Most VPN services have their own apps to automatically create a VPN for you. Yet, if you want to set it up manually by yourself, you can follow the below guide. Windows 11 VPN setup from Settings. 1. Right-click on the network icon in the lower right of the monitor on the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. It will bring you to the Network and Internet tab in the Windows settings. 2. There, in the right section, find and choose VPN. 3. Click the Add VPN button behind the VPN connections. 4. In the new pop-up, just specify the following parameters. VPN provider, the default selection is Windows, built-in. Connection name, it's the name used to identify the VPN. Just name it whatever you like. Server name or address, this is provided by the VPN company and they might have multiple locations. Just enter one location. Type of sign-in info, if it's a free connection without any username or password, you can leave the rest of the boxes blank. If it has a username and password, just input them in the below boxes. You can also use a smart card. 5. After you have successfully added the VPN, you can find that it is listed under the VPN connections. You can click the Connect button to connect your computer to this VPN. Or, you can find and connect to this VPN by clicking on the network icon on the taskbar. Best free VPN to use on Windows 11 ExpressVPN. NordVPN, Surfshark, BetterNet, Braves, Tor Browser, Hotspot, Shield, Opera, Unlimited VPN, Proton VPN, Turbo VPN, Windscribe.